Hello stalkers, welcome back. Firstly, my apologies, I could not upload a video yesterday. I was really occupied. Let's start analyzing the market. I'm on the daily chart of DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. If you are watching my analysis regularly, please hit the like button to show your support. And if you are watching regularly, I'm sure you know this area is support, that is 5,190 points. Check this out. Market came here, took a bounce. Today we are seeing a green candle. Unfortunately, we cannot trust this green candle. There are still chances market may go up a bit and then come down to make a new low. We will only consider it bullish when it breaks 5,260 points and then makes a new high from here. Till that time, market will be still considered in a correction mode. As of now, there are very high possibilities market can come down a bit and retest lower support area, that is 5,115, or it can even bounce up from 5,160 points, that is minor support zone. Well, as I just mentioned, this green candle can be decisive. There are chances it may go up a bit and then come down lower, or it can directly come down without going any high from here. In this scenario, once it breaks this area, that is 5,190, this will be a confirmation that now correction has started, and most likely we will prepare for the next demand zones as I had just mentioned. Hopefully market does not go for a deeper correction this time. We want to see bounce off from any of the support areas at max 5,115 zone. Overall, DFM market is still bullish. It's in a strong uptrend. Next area of resistance that I have identified is 5,296, and then we have 5,393 points. So if market wants to travel up, if it breaks this area, we will target this zone, and then next area is obviously 5,393. ADX market is really confusing. We are not able to see any decisive move. We can see for the last 2 to 3 weeks market is just hanging around the zone, that is between 9,460 and 9,540 points. Check this out. Long wicks at the top clearly indicating market is rejecting upper zones. Mostly we are seeing rejection candles. We are seeing inverted hammer type of candles. So what does this mean? Market is trying to climb up during the day. Investors and traders are pumping in the money and they are booking the profits early, so market is coming down. This can be a bit tricky. Maybe investors and traders are not confident of their positions. They are planning quick entries and exit, or maybe there can be some other catalyst. As of now, if we look at this pattern, that is symmetrical triangle pattern, we are confirming the breakout. This is positive, but from here it should not hang around into this zone. We want to see continuous upside momentum, which we are not, so it's a bit tricky. That's the reason I'm not too confident. If at all market comes down, then we know support areas already identified, 9,400, 9,352 points. I want to see a bigger momentum to confirm that now this chart pattern is old story. Market will not come back into this zone. We want to travel high from here. Next area of resistance is at 9,563, and then we are looking at 9,600 points. Since market is accumulating into this area, there are very good chances of a breakout, hopefully to the upside. Overall, when I compare ADX market with DFM, it's still lagging behind, but I'm very positive, and I had mentioned in the early of the year itself that ADX market will outshine DFM this year most likely. Most of the stocks are at rock bottom, they are performing, and very soon we will see breakout in those stocks, so do not miss out on the opportunities. This is the daily chart of Americana. First thing first, we know it's in a clear downtrend. High of this stock was right here at around 4.40. This is the peak for Americana, and from here it started its heavy correction. Obviously, due to the geopolitical scenarios, this company was affected fundamentally. However, after the sharp decline recently, we are seeing a bullish price action here. So first thing first, let's understand the trend line. This is the resistance. It tried multiple times, but it was not able to break out. Recently we saw it was just hanging around this trend line. After a small dip, finally we are seeing a breakthrough. This is very important point, that is 2.20 for Americana. Yes, we can confirm the breakout, but as of now it's coming back for a retest. Most likely we can see for the last 3 days it's been printing red candles but with low volumes. Today's candle is again negative. There are chances it may come down to fill up this gap that is between 2.30 and 2.35. If at all it comes into this zone, it should act as a support. This should be considered as buying opportunity. Talking about targets, we can have a bigger target in Americana. Reason is obviously after a strong drop right from the top, that is 4.40, it has almost given up 50% of its gains, so it will try to recover, and from here we can expect a bigger target. Well, first strong swing high is right here, that is 3.50. that is a achievable target, but on the way up there are minor resistance zone where market can hit and come down for a correction or a retest and then continue its upside momentum. Looking at the last candle, as I just mentioned, there are very good chances of correction in Americana. Any dip should be considered as buying opportunity. This is the place where rally has started, that is 2.09. By any cost it should not cross or close below this zone, that is 2.09. In case if that happens, then it will be negative. We can see previously also when it was trying for a breakout, it was trying to sustain, it could not, and then finally it broke to the downside, which made a new low. Very similar scenario here also. We can see it tried to break out, could not sustain, and then it broke down. So this is negative price action. We do not want to see price coming back again into this zone. If at all investors and traders are strong, they will try to defend this zone and price can go up. Fresh entries can be planned once it breaks the high that it created, that is 2.50. Overall, Americana is still in a downtrend. We are just seeing early signs of reversal in this stock. If at all trend is confirmed, then we can see good upside momentum, a continuous upside momentum rather, and it will establish a trend. Hit the like button if today's video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.